What is up, everyone? DJ Darkflow here, and welcome back to Night Rider's Garage. Today we are taking this rear end out, come hell or high water. There are 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, and 2 bolts on the far side, and that is all that is needed to finish getting it out. I'm going to die. Let's get to it. And with those 772 pretty simple steps, you too can pull the rear end out of your 3rd gen F-body car. That sucked so bad, and I still need to disconnect the e-brake lines, but it is dropped down out of the car, finally. Which means that hopefully sometime soon, it's probably not going to be next episode, but sometime soon, this rear end will be back with 373 gears and a pin locker in it, meaning better burnouts, possible drifting, and just way better launching at the drag strip. We're going to have a low 15, high 14 second car by the end of this, if I can do engine mods too. No promises there, but that was time consuming. I'm just gonna get the e-brake cables replaced anyway, so I'm probably just gonna snip those. But that is gonna do it for this episode. That was a lot more work than it probably looks like on the camera because I speed everything up. But that's because this channel is dedicated to the cars and the racing. It's not about us, it's about what is possible. So I'm going to leave that video here. Like and favorite if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to become a Darkling today. Comment down below what you guys liked about the video, or if you disliked it, what you disliked and why, so that way we can improve. With that, I will leave you guys there and see you in the next episode. Stay strong, Darklings.